Hi guys, orders ready. So ayun guys, naka-receive nga tayo dyan ng order through Talabat ng 1 Chicken Tinola guys. Bali, followers pala si Madam sa Facebook ng GFH Street Restaurant. So guys, kung gusto nyo itry ang Chicken Tinola ng GFH Street Restaurant, kung gusto nyo magpa-deliver, meron kaming Talabat, Smiles, and Noon application. Please download this application so you can order and deliver your favorite food combination at your GFH Street Restaurant. So guys, please comment down below kung sino na mga nakatikim ng chicken tinola ng GFH Street Restaurant, kung ano pong masasabi nyo. And kung hindi pa po kayo naka-like, follow, and subscribe sa mga page ng GFH Street Restaurant, is paki-follow and like and subscribe na rin po kami sa Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube guys for more updates. So ayun na nga guys, niluto na nga natin dyan yung order na chicken tinola ni Madam Jen. Meron na siyang fresh vegetable, pechay, papaya, and lemongrass guys. Included na rin siya ng 1 scoop of rice. Once again guys, once you order your food, that's the time only we cook and prepare your food. So you can guarantee your food have good quality and safety food for your happiness and satisfaction. Good food, good mood. Everyday fresh, quality goods. So guys, kung nagustuhan mo namang video to, please don't forget to like, share, follow the GFH Street page in social media guys. Malaking tulong sa amin at suporta ang simpleng pag-like and comment and share mo ng video na ito guys. So ayun guys, ready na nga yung chicken tinola dyan na order ni Madam. At isasalin na natin sa 32 ounce black bowl soup guys. So ayun guys, sobrang good quality ng chicken tinola ng GFH Street Restaurant. Naamoy ko dyan guys, ang bango talaga, sarap. Everyday fresh. So, ayan guys. Guys, kung gusto niyo pumasyal dito sa JP Street Restaurant, ang location namin is sa Sheikh Amar Street, Rauda 3, Ajman, UAE. Pwede niyo po kaming i-message sa WhatsApp para ma-send namin ang aming location guys. 055-44-30403 guys. Please message us to this number guys so we can send our location through WhatsApp guys. So, thank you so much guys. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out.